Hello students, today I'm going to show you how to check your email. First thing you will do is click on the address bar. This is the address bar here. So you will type my.chemeketa.edu. Click enter. Now you need to click where it says username. Type in your username, click enter, and then my password comes up automatically. So now I'm going to click go. Okay, so up here we have different options. You can go to eLearn, which is now Canvas. Here is your Gmail. This is what we want to click on to check our email. So that is all you do. And now you are in your email account.